The Melaleuca House by Daniel Laing, in fulfillment of AENG201 Net Zero House Design, Developed Design. So the design development process was conducted over 13 weeks, and the idea and the goal of this was to present a sustainable, affordable and feasible house for the chosen occupant, for which this was a young family on the lower income spectrum. The designs of this house were conducted to achieve an affordable house for this young family in this growing region. So the process was conducted over 3 stages. Initially, a return brief was returned to the client, which asked and received feedback on what they wanted as a young growing family on the lower income level. The second was early ideas, and this was governed around the local environment, the embodiment of outdoor space within the house, and a single-story design to save on construction costs. And finally, sketch plans were conducted, and a skillion roof was accepted as a suitable design for its benefits of thermal mass promotion of air circulation and its benefit in a solar panel array installation. So this is the developed design floor plans here. Again, this is a small house. All the rooms are small. Both bedrooms are only 3 square meters, but they are all within the size requirements of the local council. And the house is set back from the main road 7 meters, as you can see here. So a 3D model was constructed. The model showed a number of key features of this house, including the thermal mass of the concrete patio and the installed hemp block walls, the tiltable awning to maximize shading and letting light in during the winter/summer months, the gable ridge windows, which allowed the house to vent as well as to heat the internal thermal mass, and the overall pitch of the house, which again aided in shading. So this is the virtual model here showing the southwestern, northwestern and northeastern orientations of the house. Considering the mild temperate environment of Wollongong, a simple back and front configuration was chosen with that skillion roof design, as I mentioned before. So these are the developed elevations of the house. The northern aspect of the house contains the living areas. This side will receive the most sun, and it helps to lighten up these living areas during the early mornings. And additionally, this is where the solar tractile roof will be located. This 59 square meter roof angled at 34 degrees has been designed for ultimate solar irradiance, whereas the south part of the house is designed for bedroom spaces. This is the eastern profile of the house, and this is just again saying why the north-south orientation was chosen, as this facilitates a better living arrangement on the western side of the house, which you can benefit from. The sunsets as seen there, warmth in winter, natural lighting, outdoor entertainment and gardening, and obviously the eastern and western views of the Illawarra region. So hemp block was chosen as the main structural member of the house. So hemp block offers a compelling long-term cost benefit compared to standard construction costs. It is cheaper, it can be done DIY in house packages, and additionally it is very naturally insulative. The material for the external walls was the 300mm, which is providing 4.25 R value, and the internal walls was the 100mm, providing 1.4, and both of these were in the parameter requirements of the local council. So within the net zero energy design strategy, I focused on 3 areas. That was rain collection, solar battery storage and solar generation. So within the rain collection, considering the total 230 square metre house and the 1100 millimetres per rain annual rainfall of the Illawarra, 4 2,500 litre tanks were chosen for this house to store the water. Additionally, the solar generation of the tractile roof being very efficient solar panels with 58 square metres on the northern face led to a 9.6 kilowatt system. And again, if we extrapolate this to the entire 22 lot subdivision, this equaled 950 kilowatt hours per day for the subdivision. Taking into consideration efficiency losses, this would require 1100 kilowatt hours of storage. And finally, the master plan. The north-south road orientation maximised energy efficiency capability of each house, and a swale design was implemented based off the initial water-sensitive urban design strategy as conducted by Cardno for Wollongong City Council in 2009. Some species will be installed in this to help remove nutrients and reduce water flow. Thank you.